You woke up tired, grabbed your phone, chugged coffee, skipped breakfast. Now it's 10 a.m. and you're already stressed, foggy, and dragging. Here's the truth. Your morning didn't just start your day, it set the tone for your entire nervous system, metabolism, and brain chemistry. Today, we're calling out the top 5 morning mistakes that secretly ruin your energy, gut, and mood, and how to flip the script before lunch hits. Mistake number 1, checking your phone first thing.
You wake up, roll over, and boom, dopamine overload.
News, emails, social media, before your feet even hit the floor, you've triggered a fight or flight response. That innocent scroll, it jacks your cortisol and hijacks your attention span for the rest of the day. Fix it. Keep your phone out of reach and wait at least 30 minutes before checking it. Instead, start with water, movement, or silence.
Mistake number 2, no hydration equals cellular chaos.
You just went 7 to 9 hours without water. You're literally dehydrated the second you wake up. And coffee? That doesn't count. It makes it worse. Your brain, blood, and digestion need hydration to turn on properly. Fix it. Chug 16 to 20 ounces of room temper water with a pinch of salt and lemon before caffeine. That tiny salt hit, it tells your body, yo, we're awake, absorb this.
Mistake number 3, fasting without fueling.
Intermittent fasting is trendy, but here's what most people don't know. Fasting with no sleep, no minerals, and high cortisol, a recipe for burnout. You're skipping food, already stressed, and now your blood sugar's crashing. Good luck staying focused or energized. Fix it. If you fast, do it smart. Hydrate, get sunlight, and support your adrenals first. Think electrolytes or trace minerals. Or break the fast with protein plus fat instead of carbs.
Mistake 4, caffeine on an empty stomach. Coffee equals liquid anxiety when there's nothing in your stomach. It spikes cortisol, irritates your gut lining, and can cause energy crashes by 11 a.m. You'll feel alert for an hour, then hit a wall.
Fix it. Eat something, even a small handful of nuts, a boiled egg, or some collagen powder before sipping. Or switch to matcha or yerba mate for a smoother ride.
Mistake number 5,
No sunlight, no movement, no signal.
You stayed in the dark, sat still. No sun, no steps, no signals to your brain that it's daytime. Now your circadian rhythm's confused, your metabolism's still asleep, and your mood's crashing. Fix it. Expose your eyes to natural light within 30 minutes of waking. Even 5 to 10 minutes helps. Pair it with movement, a walk, stretch, jumping jacks, whatever. You're telling your brain, it's go time. The mini morning reset. Let's flip the script. Try this 6-minute slingshot-approved morning reset. Number 1, wake up, no phone. Number 2, 16 to 20 ounces of water with lemon plus salt. Number 3, open blinds or step outside. Number 4, light movement, stretch, pace, bounce. Number 5, breathe deeply through your nose. Number 6, then, earn your coffee, with some food if possible. Do this for 1 week. Watch your day transform. Mornings build momentum, and if you don't take control of yours, something else will. Start strong, stay sharp, and don't let 5 small mistakes run your whole system into the ground.
Drop a caps and trike in the comments if you've made at least 3 of these mistakes in the last 24 hours. Be honest, we've all been there. Subscribe to Health and Wellness Slingshot for more weekly slaps of truth, fast hacks, and no fluff fixes to get you functioning like a savage.